Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In previous session, we learned about what is trigonometry and what are the types of questions can be asked in competitive exams and trigonometry ratios and the conversion from radian to degree and degree to radian. Right now, today we are going to explain about learn about some basic important things from the trigonometry, like for example, the identity based, okay, and trigonometry table based questions, okay. How can we solve such kind of questions so we can understand in this session. Now, without wasting time, let's get started. See here, these are the very important formulas for like to solve the identity based questions or okay, from the trigonometry. See here, I wrote sine theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. In previous session I mentioned, right, see, cosecant theta is equal to, I can say, 1 by sine theta, correct. So which means sine theta into cosecant theta, sine theta into cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sine theta, correct. So sine theta cancel, will get 1. So the same way, cos theta is opposite to the secant theta. So secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So cos theta will cancel each other, we'll get 1. The same way, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan, so that it will cancel each other. As we discussed, right? See, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. So that can I say sine theta is also called 1 by cosecant theta. So here see, sine theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. In the same way, cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. And tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, which is equal to sine theta by cos theta. And also, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, which is equal to cos theta by sine theta. And secant theta, see, secant theta is equal to, we discussed in previous, see, 1 by cos theta. And cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. Exactly opposite. See, this one, and this one, and this one. Now this is basic basic formulas things, and now I move to the identities. Trigonometry identities, there are three identities, okay. So one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, and secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So these three are very important. Please remember, if you know these three, then you can able to solve easily. See here, sometimes in question, if you see like this, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to some, they will give some value. So then so and so sin theta is equal to some so and so అని అడుగుతారు. Let's suppose cot theta is equal to. So ఇలాంటి కైండ్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్ చూడగానే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇది చూసి మనం స్కిప్ చేస్తాం. ఇంత రూట్ ఉంది, స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, 1 minus cos square theta ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలో తెలియదు. సో సింపుల్ చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఐడెంటిటీ బేస్ చేసి నేను sin square theta ఉంచుకొని cos square theta అటు పంపిస్తే ఐ గెట్ 1 minus cos square theta, right? So sin theta, can I write sin theta is equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta? See, if you don't know the identities, you can't able to explain, solve this kind of question. But if you know the identities, then you can simply say this whole term we call it as a sin theta. In the same way, I can say cosecant theta is equal to 1 plus cos square theta root over. In the same way, secant theta is equal to, I can say, 1 plus tan square theta whole square. Or else I can say tan theta. Here I can derive tan theta also. So tan theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1 root. So this is for third identity. This is for second identity. Okay, just play with these identities, okay, you, so that you can understand. So let's try to understand the questions. How can we solve identities with identities? See here, if cos theta is equal to x, then tan theta is equal to dash అని అడుగుతున్నారు. సో ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం బేసికలీ? సో జస్ట్ నోట్ ఇట్ డౌన్. cos theta is equal to x. కెన్ ఐ సే డినామినేటర్లో ఏం లేదు, ఇక్కడ 1 తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా. సో cos theta ఏంటి, విచ్ ఇస్ adjacent side by hypotenuse, correct? So here, let's suppose this is theta, so adjacent side is x and hypotenuse is 1, then what we will get here? So if we write ABC, so AB square is equal to 1 square minus x, right? So 1 minus x square root over 1 minus x square root. So this is we got. So now ఇప్పుడు అడేం అడిగాడు, tan theta అడిగాడు, right? Hope you got it. How 1 minus root over x square రూట్ ఓవర్ 1 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఎలా వచ్చిందో అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఇఫ్ నాట్, సి సింపుల్, I just applied Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to 1 square. AB square is equal to I don't know, so AB square plus BC square is equal to x square. So x at తీసుకొస్తే AB square is equal to 1 minus x square. So AB కావాలి కాబట్టి నాకు root over 1 minus x square. సింపుల్. సో నాకు AB వస్తుంది కాబట్టి tan theta కావాలి. సో tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, right? So which is equal to opposite side is 1 minus x square by x. So this is actually, it's a very important formula. Please remember this. Please make a note like a important point, this one. Okay, because sometimes some values ఇస్తారనమాట. So cos theta is equal to some 2 అని ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, then tan theta అని అంతా అడుగుతారు. సో అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలి, మళ్ళీ ఈ టేబుల్స్లో పైథాగరస్ థియరం అప్లై చేసి డిరైవ్ చేసి అండ్ దెన్ tan theta ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. But if you remember this formula, you can directly apply, right? So, okay. Now I'm moving to the next one. See, if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to x, then sin theta minus cos theta అని అడుగుతున్నారు. So simple. Please note it down what they are. Okay, ఏమి ఇచ్చాడో నోట్ చేసుకోండి. Cos theta is equal to x. Now apply the squaring on both sides. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to x square. Correct? సో ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని సపరేట్ చేయండి. ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా ఉంది కదా, సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2 సైన్ థీటా కాస్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. నా సైన్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా ప్లస్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ కెన్ ఐ రైట్ 1. సో ఐడెంటిటీ, ఫస్ట్ ఐడెంటిటీ, సైన్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా ప్లస్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. సో సైన్ థీటా ఇంటూ కాస్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. అప్పుడు నాకు 2 సైన్ థీటా కాస్ థీటా ఉంచుకోండి. 2 సైన్ థీటా cos theta is equal to, can I write x square minus 1? Okay, please అలా నోట్ చేసుకోండి. నా ఏది అడుగుతున్నాడు చూడండి, sin theta minus cos theta కదా. సో నా దీనికి స్క్వేర్ చేయండి, స్క్వేరింగ్ చేయండి. a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? 2 sin theta cos theta. So a square plus b square, first identity, can I write 1 into 2 sin theta cos theta. Can I substitute 2 sin theta cos theta, this one x square minus 1? So I'm substituting x square minus 1. So here I'll get 2 minus x square. So if you square it side పంపిస్తే I'll get sin theta minus cos theta. So I'll get root here, root, right? So this is also very important formula. Please make a note. Okay, some simple is, suppose ఏం అడుగుతారు, sin theta plus cos, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి. sin theta plus cos theta is equal to some 2 ఇచ్చారు అనుకున్నాం. ఓకే, లెట్స్ టేక్ సమ్ -4 ఇచ్చారు, సమ్ 1 ఇచ్చారు అనుకున్నాం. ఓకే, నా sin theta minus cos theta అంతా అడుగుతారు. సో అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు, సో అగైన్ యూ షుడ్ సాల్వ్ అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా. సో దట్స్ ఆన్ దిస్ కేసెస్ యూ కెన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ రిమెంబర్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా అండ్ అప్లై ఇట్. సో ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, 2 minus x square root over. So substitute in place of x, you can substitute 1, right? 2 minus 1 which is equal to root 1, which is equal to 1 plus or minus 1. So that's it. So please remember this formula. It's also very important. Now this is also same. See, పై దాంట్లో ప్లస్ ఇచ్చాడు, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు, బట్ ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఇచ్చాడు, ప్లస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. సో సేమ్ వే, సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్. సైన్ థీటా, నోట్ ఇట్ డౌన్ ఫస్ట్, వాళ్ళు ఏమి ఇచ్చారో నోట్ చేసుకోండి. రైట్, అప్లై ది స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. sin theta minus cos theta whole square x square. So sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to x square, right? So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to x square, right? మనకు 2 sin theta cos theta కావాలంటే 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1 minus x square. Can I write? Right, 1 minus x square. Now 1 minus x square is వచ్చింది. Now ఇప్పుడు ఏం అడిగాడు, sin theta plus cos theta అడిగాడు కదా. సో దీనికి అప్లై స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ స్క్వేర్ చేయండి. ఏమవుతుంది, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2ab, 2 sin theta and cos theta, right? So sin square theta plus cos square theta, same identity 1. Can I write, substitute 1? and 2 sin theta cos theta. Can substitute 2 sin theta cos theta here, 1 minus x square. So I'll get 2 minus x square. So square at side పంపిస్తే root వస్తుంది. So sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root over 2 minus x square. If you look at this previous and now, both are same. See, okay. సో ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వాడు ప్లస్ ఇచ్చి మైనస్లో అడిగిన ఒకటే ఫార్ములా, అలాగే మైనస్ ఇచ్చి ప్లస్లో అడిగిన ఒకటే ఫార్ములా. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ 2 minus root over 2 minus x square. So please make a note of this formula also. Okay, now I'm moving to the next one. If x is equal to 4 cos a plus 5 sin a, then y is equal to 4 sin a minus 5 cos a, then value of x square plus y square అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. బేసికలీ వాడు వచ్చి నోట్ చేసుకోండి ఫస్ట్. x is equal to 4 cos a plus 5 sin a, అలాగే y is equal to 4 sin a minus 5 cos a, right? So squaring on both sides, again squaring on both sides చేయండి. అప్పుడు నాకు ఏమవుతుంది, 4 cos a plus 5 sin a whole square, అలాగే ఇక్కడ y square is equal to దీనికి కూడా 4 squaring on both sides చేయండి, minus 5 cos a whole square. సో అది ఏం అడుగుతున్నాడు చూడండి, x square plus y square అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో కెన్ ఐ యాడ్ బోత్? x square plus y square is equal to 4 cos a plus 5 sin a whole square plus 4 sin a minus 5 cos a whole square, right? So now separate చేయండి, ఫార్ములా ఉంది కదా, a plus b whole square. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, 16 cos square a plus 25 sin square a plus 4 5 is 20, 22 is 40. So 40 sin a and cos a, right? The same way ఇది a minus b whole square లో ఉంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, 16 sin square a plus 25 cos square a minus 2ab. So minus 40 sin a and cos a. So can this one and this one will cancel each other. So 16 ఈ రెండిట్లో 16 కామన్ తీస్తే 16 cos square a plus sin square a అవుతుంది, అంటే 1 అవుతుంది కదా, ఐడెంటిటీ 1. సో 16 మిగులుతుంది. అలాగే ఈ రెండిట్లో రైట్. సో అలాగే ఈ రెండిట్లో చూసుకుంటే 25 కామన్ ఉంది, 25 కామన్ తీస్తే sin square a plus cos square a, so which is equal to 1. So we will have 16 plus 25 which is equal to 41. Hope it's clear. Now see, this is also identity based question. It's the same question actually. Note it down. X cos a minus y sin a is equal to 1. అలాగే x sin a plus y cos a is equal to 4. Then 17x square plus 17y square అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. చూడండి ఇక్కడ కూడా స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ చేయండి. So you will get x cos a minus y sin a whole square is equal to 1 square. అలాగే ఇక్కడ x sin a plus y cos a is equal to 4 squares. Whole square is equal to 4 square 16. So can I add both? So 1 plus 16 right hand side యాడ్ చేస్తే నాకు 17 వస్తుంది, అలాగే లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ యాడ్ చేస్తే నాకు x cos a minus y sin a whole square plus x sin a plus y cos a whole square వస్తుంది. So now see here, divide it, separate చేయండి. So I'll get x square cos square a plus y square sin square a minus 2xy sin a and cos a plus a plus b whole square. ఇక్కడ ఇది కూడా డేరా వచ్చండి, x square sin square a plus y square cos square a plus 2xy sin a cos a. So can I cancel this one and this one? So ఇందులో చూడండి, x square కామన్ తీస్తే sin square plus cos square, right? x 1 అయిపోతుంది. అలాగే y square కామన్ తీస్తే sin square a plus cos square a, ఐడెంటిటీ 1. సో ఏమొస్తుంది, x square plus y square is equal to 17 వస్తుంది. బట్ వాడు ఏం అడిగాడు, 17x square plus 17y square అడిగాడు, అంటే ఐ హ్యావ్ టు మల్టిప్లై బోత్ సైడ్స్. 17 with both sides. 17 into 17. So 17x square plus 17y square is equal to 17 17 is 289. So this is the answer. So now see, note it down, the value of sin a by 1 plus cos a plus sin a by 1 minus cos a is what అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. So just note it down the question. Sin a by 1 plus cos a plus sin a by 1 minus cos a. Can I do cross multiplication? So అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, sin a into 1 minus cos a plus sin a into 1 plus cos a, right, by this one into this one. So if 1 plus a into 1 minus a, which is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, right? 1 minus cos square a, can I write it directly? See, a square a plus b into a minus b formula undante a square minus b square. Now pi danta sin a common cheste I'll get 1 minus cos a plus 1 plus cos a by 1 minus cos square a in రాసుకోవచ్చు. Identity 1, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1, then sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. So I am substituting identity 1 in the denominator. Okay, plus cos a minus cos a cancel, sin a ki square ki cancel. I will get 2 by sin a, which also equal to 2 cosecant a. Okay, either is answer, either is fine. 2 by sin a or also 2 by cosecant a is also fine. So basically it's a very important actually. In identity 1 basis questions తీసుకొచ్చాను, but 3 identity basis questions అడగచ్చు. So please go through all the previous year question papers తీయండి, ఇంటర్ గూగుల్లో టైప్ చేస్తే మీకు వస్తాయి. So solve as many as possible. If you have any doubts or if you're facing any issues, just please comment in the comment section so that I will explain in the next day. Next, move to the trigonometric table based questions. Okay, so this is the table. Please remember this. Okay, please remember all the values. Hope you already know. No need to remember everything, just remember these two things. First two rows are important. Okay, sin theta and cos theta. So whereas sin 0 degrees is equal to 0, 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2, and 45 degrees is equal to 1 by 2, and 60 degrees is equal to 3 by 2, and 90 degrees is equal to 1. In the same way, cos theta is actually reverse. So no need to remember the cos theta even. Okay, see, sin theta good పెట్టుకున్న exactly opposite reverse లో వేయండి. So 1 cos theta 0 అయిపోతుంది, 0 degrees 1 అవుతుంది, 30 degrees cos 30 which is equal to sin 60, right? Sin 0 degrees which is equal to cos 90 degrees. అలాగే sin 30 degrees which is equal to cos 60 degrees. అలాగే sin 60 degrees is equal to cos 30 degrees. Sin 90 degrees is equal to cos 0 degrees. So basically the angle is 90, right? 0 and 90, 30 plus 60 is 90, 60 plus 30 90, 90 plus 0 is 90. So just remember the first row itself is fine, and then they take reverse way for the cos. If you know the sin and cos, you can able to tell for tan, right? So tan is equal to sin by cos, correct? Sin theta by cos theta, and the cosecant is equal to 1 by sin theta. So if you look at 1 by 0 is undefined, 1 by 1 by 2 which is equal to 2, 1 by 1 by root 2 is root 2, and 1 by root 3 by 2 which is equal to 2 by root 3. For secant, we know 1 by cos theta, and cot is equal to either you can write 1 by tan theta or okay, or else cos theta by sin theta. So just remember the first row itself and try to understand the remaining table. Okay, if you mug up na, so you can't able to remember for a long time. Just first remember the first sign row itself, it's fine, and remaining just apply the technique how they are doing and all. So hope it's clear. So let's try to understand this example. So how can they ask questions? First question ఏం ఇచ్చారు చూడండి, sin 2 sin square 30 into tan square 60 minus 3 cos square 60 into secant square 30 అడుగుతున్నాడు. సేమ్ అడుగుతున్నాడు, 2 sin square 30 into tan square 60 minus 3 cos square 60 into secant square 30. So just apply sin square, sin 30 anta 12 unchini sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 2 whole square. Tan 60 anta, so tan 60 is equal to root 3, right? So root 3 whole square minus 3 into cos square 60, because cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 whole square, and secant square 30. Secant 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole square. So now solve it. 2 into 1 by 4 into square root cancel, we will get 3. Minus here 3 into 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. 3 cancel, and we will get 2 1 ja 2 2 ja cancel, and 3 by 2 minus 4 cancel, right? So 3 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 2. So answer is equal to 1 by 2. So basically, if you remember the table, you can directly apply and you can do a multiplication, arithmetic operations. That's it. This is one of the type of question. So see, I'm going to the next kind of question. So this is second kind of question they can ask. Student a plus b is equal to 90 ఇచ్చాడు, then a is equal to 2b అంటున్నాడు, then cos square a plus sin square b అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. If in place of sin square b plus a ఉంది అనుకోండి, cos square a plus sin square a, both angles are equal, so we can directly tell one, but here angles are different, right? So note it down, a plus b is equal to 90 ఇచ్చారు, so a is equal to 2b అంటున్నాడు. So can I substitute this a in place of this one, right? So అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, 2b plus b is equal to 90, which is equal to 3b is equal to 90, and b is equal to 90 by 3, which is equal to 30. If b is equal to 30, then substitute in this, a is equal to 60, right? So a వచ్చి నాకు b వస్తుంది, just apply cos square a plus sin square b, which is called cos square 60 plus sin square 30. So cos square 60 is 1 by 2 whole square, square ఉంది కాబట్టి sin square 30 is also 1 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. So simple, right? Basically trigonometry is a very easy thing. So this is another type of question. మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే క్వశ్చన్లోని tan power of 100 theta plus cot power of 100 theta ఇంత క్వశ్చన్ చూసిన తర్వాత మనం వెంటనే స్కిప్ చేస్తాం, బట్ బేసికలీ ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ ఈజీ థింగ్. See, note it down the question. First read the question. If tan theta plus cos theta is equal to, then what is the value of tan power of 100 theta plus cot power of 100 theta అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నోట్ ఇట్ డౌన్. tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, right? So then ఇప్పుడు స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ థీటా వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. సో స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ చేస్తే నాకు ఏమవుతుందో చెప్పండి. ఓకే, సింపుల్గా చెప్పాలంటే ఓకే ఇంకా ఈజీగా చెప్పేస్తాను చూడండి. సో tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. Let's suppose I remember tan 45 is equal to 1. ఓకే, నా నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే tan theta ప్లస్లో 1 అనుకుంటున్నాను, ప్లస్ cot theta ప్లస్లో 1 అనుకుంటున్నాను, దెన్ ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ 2, రైట్? బట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో. సో నా tan thetaలో 1 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందో చెప్పండి. tan 45, cot thetaలో కూడా tan 45. సో కెన్ ఐ రైట్ 2ని నేను జస్ట్ 1 plus 1 కింద రాసుకున్నాను. tanలోని 1 వస్తుంది, cotలోని 1 వస్తుంది. సో tan అండ్ బోత్ ఆర్ ఈక్వలింగ్, యాంగిల్స్ ఆల్సో ఈక్వల్, రైట్? సో tan 45 plus cot 45 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2, కరెక్ట్? సో నేను జస్ట్ క్యాజువల్గా 1 plus 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 అనుకున్నాను. tanలోని cotలోని 1 వస్తుందో లేదా చెక్ చేసుకున్నాను, వచ్చింది. సో tan 45 plus cot 45. సో యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ 45. సో theta is equal to 45, right? I know that theta is equal to 45. Now just substitute, take this question. So 45 plus cot power of 100, 45. Now what is the value of tan 45? 1, right? 1 power of 100 plus same 1 power of 100. So anything power of 1 is 1, right? So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 only. So here also it is 2. So it's very easy, right? Just understand the question and apply your methods. That's it. Now this is also one of the type of question. if theta is said to be an acute angle and 4 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 0, then what is the value of tan theta minus 45? ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటున్నాడు, theta అనేది acute angle అంటున్నాడు. Acute angle in the sense it should be less than 90 degrees, which is between the angle is between 0 and 90 degrees is called acute angle. Okay, so let's suppose this whole thing we call it as acute angle, or else if it is exactly right angle, so this angle is called acute angle. Like this you can mention it. Basically it's the angle between 0 and 90 degrees. So the theta should be between 0 and 90 degrees. So now first of all, forgot about that, take this one, 4 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So now 4 cos square theta is equal to plus 1 and cos square theta is equal to 1 by 4, can I write? So, and cos theta is equal to 1 by 4 whole root, which is equal to 1 by 2, right? So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Then నాకు theta కావాలంటే theta is equal to cos inverse అవుతుంది కదా, అట్లా cos inverse of 1 by 2 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? cos లో 1 by 2 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? 60 degrees, right? So theta is equal to 60 degrees. So I know the theta is equal to 60 degrees, just substitute. అది ఏం అడుగుతున్నాడు? tan theta minus 15. So tan theta minus 15, which means tan 60 minus 15, which is equal to tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. That's it. This is the answer we need to find. So it's simple, right? But it's note cheskunnanu, theta value techukunna, theta andulo substitute chesam ante. So if theta is equal to 60, which is less than 90 degrees, right? So it is acute angle only. Now the next question is, let ABCD be the angles of quadrilaterals. If they are concyclic, then the value of cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D. So basically ఇక్కడ quadrilateral అంటున్నాడు, concycle అంటున్నాడు. So what it is mean actually? So this is a circle, okay? So basically this is the meaning of that. Basically this is the inner side is the quadrilateral, and if they are concyclic means it has to touch the circle, okay? Let's suppose this is the points where it is touching, okay? So I'm making a quadrilateral. So these are the, let's take A, B, C and D. All are right angles, right? All are 90 degrees. So 90 degrees. So ఇప్పుడు ఏమంటున్నా, cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D అడుగుతున్నాడు. So all the angles at the corners are 90 degrees. So can I substitute directly cos 90 plus in place of B also cos 90 and plus cos C also cos 90 and cos D also cos 90, right? Let's see here. Let's suppose just మనకు corners తెలిసే angles all are 90 degrees. Can I say A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 90 degrees? See, all are right angles, so I'm taking A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D is equal to 90 degrees. So that's why I'm substituting in place of A, B, C, D 90 degrees. So once you substitute cos 90, 0 right, 0 right, 0 right and 0. So answer is 0. That's it. Simple. So if you know, and if you know about try to draw the quadrilateral if they are concyclic, just you need to understand this, okay? So I have drawn the quadrilateral by touching on the circle. So this is called concyclic, okay? These points, ABCD points are called concyclics, okay? So once we do this, we know by looking at the picture itself, we can say that all are right angles, which is 90 degrees. So angle A, B, C, D, which is equal to 90 degrees. Then substitute 90 and we all get 0 degrees. So this is the questions are basically basic questions only, based on the trigonometry table. And please remember all these points. So these points is very important. Negative angles. See, sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Cos minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. Only for cos theta and secant theta, even though an angle is negative, then it will get a positive, okay? But remaining case, cos minus theta is equal, tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta, and cosecant minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. Except cos, just remember only the cos. See, let's try to understand with this example. See, already same question, right? We discussed previously. See here, just take down 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 and cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2, and which is equal to theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 2. If you get, then theta is equal to 30. How much it is? 1 by root 2. So 45 degrees, right? So theta 45 degrees వచ్చింది. Now substitute. tan theta minus 90, which is 45 minus 90, which is equal to tan minus 45. See చూడండి, tan minus theta ఫార్ములా ఉంది. సో tan minus theta ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? This one, right? Tan minus theta is called minus tan theta. So tan minus 45 is equal to minus tan 45, which is equal to minus tan 45 is equal to 1. So answer is minus 1. So in this kind of situations, it requires the negative angles. Only remember the cos and sec. Okay, only remember the cos theta. It's enough, because opposite to the cos it's a secant, right? 1 by secant. Cos is equal to 1 by secant. So definitely if cos positive, then secant also positive. Remaining all are like negative. That's it. So this is about today. Hope it's clear. If you have any doubts or anything, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you.